Actually, Nikki look nice to my car body.
You like her body?
Thank you, baby.
Yeah, come right out.
Of course, lava. Right, let's go.
Lord. All right, then. I'm join somebody then.
Yeah.
Join
Anybody?
somebody then. All right.
Big up to my
Anybody.
nice stable fans, them supporters, and
Remember. Listen. Let him chat and laugh. And remember, I'm press about here.
Listen to me, man. Attention attack and chat and laugh is not a safe place.
So anybody go to the line, just go over the line with them and fix anybody. Okay? All right then. Anybody come and add and ask them a question. If you want to fix it, just fix them. Send them off.
No man, that's what I mean. If you want to fix, no fix. If more answer, if I don't want to answer, just don't answer. If you say lava, alright, this is too much. Cut off.
No, just say lava next.
Next, like that. Let's go.
Lava next. All right.
Right, let's go.
All right then. Find somebody. So anybody want to ask like, any question, you can ask. Okay then. Let's see that person, that type. Okay, well on there.
Don't see the body properly, man. Don't see the body all over. Exactly what I say. Either nothing different.
Okay.
Right, let's go.
Or the echo.
But also want to my friend I. Yanis, big up yourself, baby.
Lava, why you want to mix me up? You know me have to go sleep early for go to government work.
You talk now.
Me not have nothing for that. Nikki, you look good as.
Tell the woman, and that's it. That's all you need to say. All right, big up yourself.
All right.
All right then. Remove. All right then. Hold on there. I fix my brother, yeah?
Yes, guys, I did my teeth as well, so yeah.
I'll see it there. Anybody want to ask any question? Okay, well, somebody has sent a request. Somebody has sent a request. They must send a request. Anyone ask any question, send a request.
I clip some boys record, big up on yourself straight right through.
No. Oh.
Of course.
Okay then. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, you're live.
Hello? Actually, Nikki look nice to my car body.
You like her body?
Thank you, baby.
Yeah, come right out. No damage.
Pussy killer. Wait, so no damage.
No damage, no.
So any questions?
No, so look on the car for a nice body.
Me like that. Big up yourself to my friend.
Thank you, baby.
All right then. Hold on.
A lot of friends in my DM say they wanna say this and say that. No, is the chance because I know y'all is on chat and so I'm just sending a request and just go talk the things in.
Yeah, talk the things then.
Anything at all. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What I did. I like your vibes already.
Nikki, where you do your body? I did my body. I designed a body in Dominican Republic. Yes. Any more questions?
Hold on there.
Thanks, guys. No, Nikki always the one fans.
I want to stop sending me message in my WhatsApp. If you want to ask her any question, you know, on a pin up on WhatsApp every minute. All right, people are coming to add them.
But I don't know why they continue to come out.
You're right.
Yo,
Hello?
media work, but the one thing me have to say, you see out of the whole of the designer body them, because when you did that with such man, but it feel like same obvious as I made. But I'm gonna do all unfollow you, Nikki. Me I tell you the truth. But you see when you come out with that body there, me don't know what designer body must like you. Because you spend time on that the body there. Out of the whole of them girl, you come right out. The rest of them are batch dolly. You? Mm-hmm. Yes, girl.
Thank you.
You come right out. Yeah, you come out. I'm going to come there work.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
All right. Pussycat. Nikki, want to play something? Nikki, send back a request. Whew. That was close. If you want to ask Nikki any questions, send a request. Now, in a cut off on my side. From fair side, they cut off from. Nikki, send back a request. Over here, not safe, you know. Over here, not safe. Over here, it's not a safe place. Nikki, send back a request. Oh, should I know? Up level. And some romance play for the muscle over here. Oh, yeah, Nikki over here. Nikki, send back a request. One to your phone. Hey, the request line long now, ye? Okay. Wait, people, wait.
You put me in a like you put, yes, like you put the two way out.
I'm sorry. All right, I'm add back right this now. Pussy lad. Nikki, prepare for that one, yeah.
Thank you, I'm always humble.
Nikki, prepare for that one, yeah.
Always prepare is either either.
Hi, Nikki, what's up?
Hi, honey.
Never stop, no? Nikki, I just want to sing my little song for you. You remember the song I say? Oh, Nikki, you're so pretty, you don't understand. You take me by the heart and you take me by the hand. Nikki, you're about to look good as fuck.
Hey, you can't see the person with the fuckery.
Yeah, next.
You understand what you draw from?
Say next. Say next, no?
No.
Hey, but still, one more, Nikki. First of all, Nikki, I need a link. You understand? I want to go tweak up my body too. And then I want to ask you a question. So, you feel like Marvin are going to do for him body too?
Listen to me now. When it comes to them question, then I'm going to say, next.
Next, sorry. Thank you very much. Pussy clap, press a button.
Hey, no listen to me, man. Ashensi attack and chat and laugh is not a
You're going to say, but if you come and ask any question I can tell you not to answer, I definitely
answer
will.
Next. Answer next.
Hey, Nikki, you so fine. Hey, Nikki. Hey,
Nikki. Just do.
Go on.
Thank you.
Any question?
No, just compliment, you know? Shall I go on for you?
Okay.
Thank you.
Stop for me one more time.
Nice body.
What's body, man?
Body, yaddy, yaddy.
Everybody drink cold water now.
Yo, later.
They must sweat inside.
Later. People, send a request. All right, then. People are log on. Okay.
Remember, many of 5 questions yet.
True. What go on now? I'm not press not the people. Hello?
Hello?
All right, hold on. Stay there. Nikki, send back a request. Oh, that happened. Nikki, no, I'm not touching nothing. Hey, the list line your fuck. Nikki, send back a request. I'm not touching nothing, people. I already know. I'm add that back now. Wait, my friend, she'll come on.
What's going on?
Oh, men not touch
Hi,
me.
Nikki.
Hi, honey.
Boy, Nikki, one thing may I tell you, your body is, I'm not lie, more than 100% right now.
Thank you, baby. Thank you so
Love
much.
the look and you're happy and everything.
Very much.
Sanka, sure.
Pussy God.
Sanka, sure.
The man, the body big, so I see it for one verse that toast me. I tell you.
Let me be the song. My friend, big up here. Big up.
All right.
All right then. Blush. Big up here, blush. Be the song first. asking a question? Okay, well, somebody has sent
Anyone
request.
asking
Well, somebody
questions,
somebody has sent request. Them are sending. Anyone asking a question? Send a request.
I clip some boys record big up on yourself straight right through.
No. Oh.
Of course.
Okay then. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, you're live.
Hello? I see Nikki look nice to my car body.
You like her body?
Thank you, baby.
Hey, come right out. No damage.
Pussy killer. Wait, so no damage.
No damage, no damage.
So any questions? Any questions?
No, so look on the car for a nice body.
Me like that. Big up yourself to my friend.
Thank you, baby.
All right then.
Alright.
Hold on.
A lot of friends in my DM say they wanna say this and say that. No, is the chance because I know y'all is on chat and I'm just sending a request and just go talk the things and
Yeah, talk the things then.
anything at all. Yeah.
Yeah. What I did. I like your vibes already.
Nikki, where you do your body? I did my body, I designed a body in Dominican Republic. Yes. More questions?
Hold on there.
Guys. No, Nikki always the one fans and
Wanna stop send me message in my WhatsApp. If you want to ask her any question, you know, on a pin up on WhatsApp every minute. All right, people are coming at them.
But I don't know why they continue to come out.
You're right.
Yo,
Hello?
media work, but one thing me have to say. You see, out of the whole of the designer body them, because when you did there with such man, but it feel like same obvious as I made. But, I'm going to all unfollow you, Nikki. Me I tell you the truth. But you see, when you come out with that body there, I don't know what designer body must like you. Because you spend time on that the body there. Out of the whole of them, girl, you come right out. The rest of them are batch dolly. You? Mm-hmm. Yes, girl.
Thank you.
You come right out. Yeah, you come out. I'm going to come there work.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
All right. Pussycat. Nikki, want to hear something? Nikki, send back a request. Whew. That was close. If you want to ask Nikki any questions, send a request. Now, in a cut off on my side, from fair side, cut off from Nikki, send back a request. Over here, not safe, you know. Over here, not safe. Over here, it's not a safe place. Nikki, send back a request. Oh, should I know? Up level. And some romance play for the muscle over here. Oh, Lord, yeah, Nikki over here. Nikki, send back a request. One to your phone. Hey, the request line long now, ye? Okay. Wait, people, wait.
You put me on like you put yes, like you put the two way off.
I'm sorry. All right, I'm add back right there, so now. Pussycat. Nikki, prepare for that one, yeah.
Thank you, I'm always on.
Nikki, prepare for that one, yeah.
Always prepare, is it either?
Hi, Nikki, what's up?
Hi, honey.
Lava, stop, no? Nikki, I just want to sing one little song for you. You remember the song I say, oh, Nikki, you're so pretty, you don't understand. You take me by the heart and you take me by the hand. Nikki, you're about to look good as fuck.
Hey, you can't see the person, one person will look the fuckery.
Yeah, next.
You understand what you draw from?
Nikki, say next now.
No.
Hey, but still, one more, Nikki. First of all, Nikki, I need a link. You understand? Because I want to go tweak up my body too. And then I want to ask you a question. So, you feel like Marvin I got to do film body too?
Listen to me now. When it comes to them questions, then I'm gonna say next.
Next. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Pussy clap. Press a button.
Hey, you know, listen to me, man. Ashensi attack and chat and laugh is not a
Big up on
safe
the
place.
place, but if you can come and ask any question or if I tell you not to answer, I definitely
Answer
will. If I want to
next.
answer, I will. So,
Answer next.
Hey, Nikki, you so fine, you so fine. Hey, Nikki. Hey, Nikki.
Excuse me, just do.
Yeah, go on. Go on.
Thank you.
Go on.
Any question?
No, just compliment. Shall go on for you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Stop for me one more time.
Nice body.
Watch body, man.
Body yaddy yaddy.
Everybody here to drink cold water now.
Yo, later.
They must sweat inside.
Later. People, send a request. All right, then. People are log on.
Lava don't stop the song, them not as well still a drop them.
Okay.
Remember, many 5 questions yet.